living in the metaverse. Is this the future of the internet? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that sounds like science fiction, but is becoming reality: the metaverse. What is it? And is it really the future of the internet? Let's find out. First, what is the metaverse? It's a virtual world where you can hang out with friends, play games, attend concerts, or even work all through a VR headset. Companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, and Apple are investing billions to make this a reality. With devices like the Meta Quest 3 and Apple Vision Pro, VR is becoming more immersive and accessible. You can explore virtual worlds, create avatars, and even buy virtual real estate. But is this the future of the internet? Some people think it's the next big thing, while others think it's just a fad. There are challenges too, like privacy concerns and the cost of VR equipment. Still, the possibilities are endless. Imagine attending a concert in Tokyo from your living room, or collaborating with colleagues in a virtual office. So what do you think? Would you live in the metaverse? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more futuristic tech content. See you in the next video.